Unlocking Easy Online Cash, your path to financial freedom. Hey there, fellow dreamers and hustlers. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your social media feeds, wondering how some people seem to be making easy money online, then you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the world of Easy Online Cash, demystifying the process and giving you the tools you need to start your journey towards financial freedom from the comfort of your own home. But hold on a second, before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming money-making strategies, tips, and success stories. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got in store for you. Alright, let's jump right into it. Picture this, waking up in the morning, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, and making money right from your laptop or smartphone. That's the incredible power of Easy Online Cash, and today, we're going to break down some legitimate and proven methods to help you get started on your journey to financial independence. So, whether you're a student looking to earn some extra pocket money, a stay-at-home parent seeking flexibility, or someone aiming to supplement your current income, this video is tailored just for you. We'll be discussing tried and true methods that people from all walks of life are using to generate easy online cash, and don't worry, we're steering clear of any get-rich-quick schemes. We're all about sustainable, long-term success here. Get ready, because in the upcoming segments, we're going to cover a range of topics, from freelancing and remote work opportunities to selling your creations online and even diving into the world of passive income streams. Plus, we've got some special guest interviews lined up, where real individuals share their inspiring stories of turning their online endeavors into thriving businesses. Are you excited? I know I am. So, hit that like button if you're ready to unlock the secrets of Easy Online Cash. And remember, this journey requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stick around, and together, we'll navigate the exciting world of online opportunities. Until the next segment, stay motivated, stay curious, and keep hustling. Catch you in the next video. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more money-making tips and success stories. Hit the like button if you're excited to start your online cash journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.